everyone, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem here. We have found another deal for you that if you are a 12 volt DeWALT fan, this one is a splendid, spectacular deal. Here it's showing you that this deal ends December 1st for both the drill driver and the impact driver, right? This is the XTREME 12 volt max quarter-inch variable speed brushless cordless impact driver and the XTREME 12 volt max 3/8 inch brushless cordless drill. Charger is included as well as 2 amp hour batteries, right? So just the batteries alone in this deal is insane. You're already paying $100 just for 2 batteries, right? If we go off of this deal right here on the left at $50.48 per battery. So all you gotta do is click on this guy here. Let's just start with the drill driver, and if you add it to the cart, we'll be able to see the price there. Estimated total is $79. So let's go ahead, we'll keep that in the cart. Alright, and then let's go back and let's see what the impact driver is. Is it the same price? Well, let's add it to cart. We're going to do one. $79. We're looking at a total of $158. You get 2 drills, 2 12 volt drills there with 4 12 volt 2 amperage hour batteries and 2 chargers right there. That's what you get for this deal. I think it's one of the best deals for any 12 volt tools out there. I don't think anyone else, whether it's Milwaukee or Rigid, maybe Rigid will have something like that at Direct Tools factory outlet. But right now, for brand new out of the box tools, you're saving 43% right now, and you can just get the single drill, so you can get your charger for $79. It's again a steal. That it's just, you're getting these guys out the door for steals right now. So I wanted to show you this deal just so you guys can't say I didn't tell you about it. $79, 2 batteries. That just the batteries alone already go value-wise, retail value-wise, it goes above the price of the rest of this kit, which is a bag, a drill driver, and this is the XTREME. So I'm gonna have to see how that does in person. If I actually get a chance to do that, I will. With those batteries included, you get an additional charger that you can have as backup, or you can take one with you, leave one home. It's probably one of the best deals right now that I've seen. I just wanted to show you, right, for $149 you get the kit, right? You get the battery. This is on the 12 volt XTREME Max Brushless Power Tool Combo kit, right? The kit comes with both the impact driver, the drill driver. It includes 2 batteries. You get a soft case and the charger, which is a great deal at $149. But if you get these guys separate and you need those extra 2 batteries, and I guess you wouldn't need an extra charger, but it would be good to have one in the truck or in the car, and then one at home, so you don't have to swap them out all the time. For an extra $9, right? This deal right here, for an extra $9, you're gonna get 2 more 2 amperage hour batteries and an additional charger and an additional DeWALT soft case for $9. So yeah, that's the best deal around right now for any 12 volt kits that I've seen, or whether you buy the kit by itself, or no, when you buy them separately, for an extra $8 you get $100 worth of value in batteries, as well as an extra charger and a DeWALT soft case right here. That's what you're gonna get. $79 for that. You can't beat it. So enjoy it. This is one of those deals I'm glad I found for you guys, because whoever gets them, I just can't keep buying deals. I just can't keep buying these tools, man. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, share, comment, click that notification bell, because that's just going to motivate me to keep finding more deals for you guys. Looking forward to finding you guys more deals, and I always appreciate your support. So I hope you and yours are doing well out there.